What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys here how to invest in altcoins and projects before they get literally listed on gate.io. And as you guys can see right here, okay, a lot of these projects that are literally gonna be listed on, the day that they get listed on, they do crazy numbers like these. I'm not saying all of them do, but this one, for example, SAO Sator, the first one right here, which is up 1,118%. Okay, this got listed today, and if you go right here to the chart, okay, right when it got listed at 4 cents, in less than an hour it went all the way to $3, and then it obviously came down. But the main thing here is a lot of these projects that when they get listed, especially in the bullish period like it is right now, they do crazy numbers. So I'm gonna show you guys here how to do this within the app on Gate.io, step by step. And also, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in any of these projects and make your own decisions. So let's get started here. If you don't have a Gate.io account, you guys can use my referral code in the description below and you get like a promotion. All you have to do, guys, is very simple. You click right here where it says more, click on more, and similar to Kucoin, these are like a bunch of like little apps within this app. Okay, and all you gotta do is find where it says startup. And you just gotta press edit, and you gotta this one right here where it says startup here in your main page, so it's easier for you to find it. See right here, click plus, add it to your main page. So every time you're in the main page of Gate.io, you see it right here, click on startup, and then awesome, you're right here on the page. And these are all the projects that you guys can invest in early before they get listed here on Gate.io. As you guys can see, this one right here is the one that I just showed you, SAO, which is up 1,118%. People were literally able to invest in this and put money in this before it got listed. So how does it work? Basically right here, you're gonna see right here, initial, these are the ones that you can still invest in. So for example, let's say I want to invest in this one right here, Galactic Area. You click on it, okay, and it's in progress right now. It'll say if it's in progress or not, and also tell you the time that it ends at. So right here, 6 hours left, and this is how much they have raised, okay, and also tells you the start and the close time. There are some requirements to participate in this, okay? So there are some requirements to be able to invest in these coins before they get listed. And honestly, it's very simple and easy. There's only one that's kind of a big one, but let me go through it here with you. First off, you have to be a participant, should register on Gate.io and log in. Use your identity verification, which is the KYC. So you do need to have your KYC set for this. You got to make sure that you have a balance of supported currency for this sell. No green check mark, we do not check it. So you got to have USDT enabled to participate. Sign the purchase agreement and startup before the placing orders. Waiting for startup open status underway. So right here, it says right here, support 20 USDT. So you can start investing in these with as low as $20, okay? But the main requirement here that kind of got me at the moment that I still can't participate, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people can't yet because of this, which I don't think is something huge, is that you got to be a VIP 1. So what do you have to do to be a VIP 1 in order to participate? So let's say I click right here, I can't participate because I'm not a VIP 1. If I were, I would just put here, let's say 1 copy. 1 counts as $20. Right here, to participate in the startup sale, users will need to be VIP and above. So let me show you guys here how to be VIP 1. All you gotta do is go to the fee section in the settings, and it'll tell you right over here. So this is what you have to do. You need to meet a trading volume plus GT holding requirements. So what is GT? GT is the main crypto token that Gate.io has. That's their crypto called GT. And you got to have at least 20 GT and have a trading volume from the last 30 days volume worth of 1.5 BTC, which I don't think is that bad. You can work your way up to get both of those requirements set and be a VIP 1. 20 GT, I think 1 GT is worth about $6, so that's 6 times 20. That's how you become a VIP 1. It's really that simple, guys. You know, you can literally scroll right here and find the ones that you like this one right here. This is a pretty good project right here. They have an app. This is kind of like a kart racing game. You scroll down, you learn more about the founder, which is awesome. I'm pretty sure they have their Twitters and everything here too, and also the tokenomics and how it works and everything. So it's just that simple. after you become VIP1, you click right here and you can invest. Okay, so that's how you can invest in early projects on Gay.io before it gets listed on here. As you guys can see, a lot of these projects, especially in this bullish period, and please do your own research as well. Now, if you also have Kucoin, I made a video on Kucoin, how to find out which altcoins are going to be listed on Kucoin ahead of time, so you can invest in them before they get listed on Kucoin, or you can invest right at the exact moment that it gets listed on Kucoin. I made a video on that. I'll leave it right here in the cards at the top right here at the eye, so you guys can watch that if you want to watch that as well. But yeah, guys, that's how you guys do it. Use my referral code for Gay.io down in the description below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Join my free crypto Facebook group and also my Patreon as well. And thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.